Hi, today we're going to look at a US stove company pellet stove controller. I think many of them are very similar to each other, and I'll go through a quick reset. To do a reset on these things, you can have it on or off, but you see on the right hand side you've got the up arrow and down arrow for the auxiliary. If you press and hold those for a few seconds until the word buy comes up, there it is, and release. And that kind of resets you. You go into the US Stove Company logo, and then it's telling you what kind of stove it's set up for, pellet in this case, PLT, the software version, and it shuts itself off again. Afterwards, you can just press the on button, and it should come on pretty well normally. It should. I've had trouble with this. Doesn't seem to be a perfect reset. Sometimes you need to do it a couple, 3 times, but it seems to work. You can also do it while the pellet stove controller is on. So I can just go ahead and press and hold the up arrow and down arrows until it says buy, and it goes through the reset routine the very same way. All it needs to be is powered on, or have power to the stove itself. And there you go.